I didn't know what ecotherapy was or even that it existed, but it was definitely an eco-therapeutic experience. Yeah.
Mm. So it was one moment.
Yeah, it was like boom, it was like this.
Wow.
And then it continued. Every day when I was walking my dog, I would practice mindfulness and just be with what was around me. I started walking to different places by the river, just noticing the feel of the water, the sound of the birds, the changes in the trees. And it just completely changed my life.